What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So part 3 of the video, I got my buddies here to help me out. They're having a break right now. So I got Nick's car here. I'm gonna work on it, but back on this, we're working on putting everything back together. So I put the cams in the last video. We kind of put the timing belt this morning. I put the exhaust manifold in. We put the water coolant lines. So it looks like a big mess, but it's coming along. So the manifold is a PHR one-off manifold. I don't think he makes these as a production, but I'm sure if you ask PHR, he'll make you one. It's a 3-in-1 design. Obviously a V-band flange, dual wastegate, big runners, EGTs. Yep. CO2 lines. So we're currently got the turbo apart. Where did it go? Where's the turbo? Oh, here. It's right here. So I took the turbo out. I'm going to clean it up because it's been sitting on the shelf for a while. So the turbo, if you guys don't know, that's a Pro Mod 98 with a 105 rear housing. Got the cover right here, powder coated black. We're just gonna go over it and make sure it's all cleaned up. I took the afternoon off just to work on this bad boy. I want to finish it up. Maybe we'll start it today. So yeah, looking good. Stay tuned. We'll put the turbo on and then we'll start working on the intake. This hole here.
Yeah, while I'm holding it, you're gonna have to guide it, right? I'll hold it. Or no?
Recording?
Yeah, man. Tarikad. Come.
There you go. It's heavy, dude. So right.
Don't scratch the paint, you know.
Got it? You gotta clock it. It's clocked wrong.
No, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Yeah, it goes inside there, right? Yeah, it goes inside. Oh, my head. Oh.
Get bolts. Support the turbo. 2 bolts.
Big boy.
Yeah. Pro Mod.
How many pounds this weigh? Was 65, I think it was?
Yeah. Oh, the turbo?
Yeah, I think it was 65 pounds.
Where did you put the 716?
That's bigger.
Where's the nut?
Band.
It was on the ground, wasn't it?
I thought, is there a nut on it?
No.
What are you looking for?
The nut that holds the turbo, right?
The turbo.
I mean the
V-band?
V-band, yeah.
Well, it's over there.
Get here. Alright, sir.
Well, that car went down about an inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, lift it back up.
No.
Socket?
Yeah, it's right here. Right here. That's
already.
Oh, that's a small one.
716. Wasn't it 716?
No, that's a nice 16 or a half inch. I think.
Half inch?
I think it's a half inch.
The machine and so.
Perfect.
Yeah.
From here, perfect.
Now we get this down.
EGT box.
Plug in these guys. I hate how these look, man.
Why?
It's just a big mess, so I gotta shorten it.
They cost so much, couldn't we make them fucking nicer a little bit?
I know.
That doesn't look that bad to me.
I don't have to look either.
The color?
Yeah, like it's so big plugs, bro. It's fucking 2021. Fucking fiber optic and shit. Look at the size of the fucking plug, bro.
Yeah, they're big still, but yeah, I gotta.
And they come out so easily.
I like the way the sensor looks though.
Yeah, it looks a bit pretty alright. Just the wires I could crunch up, but that's fine. Get round on the back, it's good. Well, man.
Can you come shake my hand yet?
What's going on here? Come with it on camera. Come with it on camera. So how go on? So how go on?
So we got a lot done. I'm back at it. We couldn't finish it yesterday, so day number 2. I got the intake on. I ran the fuel lines. I put the regulator in. What else did we do? I think that's it. So what I'm doing now is we're putting in the injectors. Now I got 1,000,000 injectors, which is pretty annoying. I got 18 of them. So what I did is they're all serialized and I put them all in order. So you got 1 through 6 is the first row, and then 7 through 12 would be the second row, you know, and the 7 without the dot would be left, and then the 7 with the black line would be the right side. So I got all the injectors here. Big thanks to Mastermind for Tuned actually for cleaning them up. These are all Siemens Deca. See if I can open this thing. Yeah, so they're all Siemens Deca and they're all serialized. There, see the number? So let's do it. I'm gonna put them all in. All right, guys, got my wife to help me out, so I was calling out the numbers. There you go. 18 injectors, 3 per hole, all greased up, ready to go. Yeah, so we tuned the car last year on all these injectors, right? So it was quite a process to get all these injectors lined up. So just for those who you don't know, I got, these are all Siemens Deca, but these are 2400 cc. That's the original Siemens Deca. The 2 in the back are 2750s, 2750 cc each. These were ported by Fuel Injector Development. Great guy. So if you need any injectors from them, I've been running FID injectors since I've had this car for the last 7 years, and I never had an issue. So we switched over to the Siemens Deca because it's just, they're kind of one of the biggest flowing injector as a regular injector that's not a like a billet atomizer style. Yeah, so he ported these to flow 2750 each. So you got 2750, 2750, and 2400. That's about 7,900 cc per cylinder. So that's a lot of fuel. Yeah, so let's put the rails on and just button up the rest. All right, guys, fuel lines are in, fuel rails are in. All right, so basically I got an outlet here. So the inlet is a -16. This is a Kinsler 13.8 GPM flowing pump. You got AN12 outlet, goes into Y, opens up to 2 10s. That comes back here, comes out, and these 2 come back to the regulator, and then the regulator comes out and comes back to the tank down there. So that's basically the setup. There's the fuel pressure sensor here. These are ignition. These are the connectors for the injectors. The injectors have their own loom. I'll show you that. Show you that real quick while I break everything. So this is the injector loom. Everything's numbered, so I have to put that all in. 3 connectors that are key different. You can't mess them up. So I gotta do that. Then I gotta do the exhaust back pressure. Thanks to Powerhouse Racing, I'm gonna have to put this somewhere here, and it's gonna connect to that fitting there, over there. So it's gonna have to wind up, like make it like a coil, and then the sensor will go somewhere here. So we'll stop the video here. Startup would be the next video, so something to get you excited about. So I'm gonna button it up. I want to check everything. I actually turned it over. I'll show you a quick video here. How about a little crank over? Let's see here. seals button here. Yeah, it turned over, seemed fine. I didn't check oil pressure, but we'll finish it up and see you in the next video.